on the. Okay. So yeah, you were saying that you were selling from this level. Well, okay, actually,
Yeah.
you tell me first what was your reasoning on why you wanted to sell?
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw that London High has a roof.
Okay. So I mark out London High roof.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and I saw the what's it called? And I was looking towards to get my confirmation from there to sell to the Asian low.
Okay. So from this level right here or all the way to this one?
Yeah. Yeah, all the way to that level. Yeah, that level.
Okay.
No, not this one. This one.
I can't see your markups. Are you using the annotates?
Okay. Okay. I can. Let me see if I can mark up. Sister, do you know
Okay.
me? Kuchu, Sister D class. Bro, I'm coming. Usually I'm not most time. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
I'm very, very sorry. Yes, sir. You still recording, right?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Yeah, so as I was saying, I was looking towards this low, the previous New York low.
This one.
Yeah,
Okay. But look to see what did London do? Did London take out Asia's high?
London. Yeah, because I can remember the first time we have a class, you told me if London take at is just high, we should be looking for sale.
Yes. And that's what had happened. But look, I'll explain. So London took out Asia's high, like how I did yesterday or on Friday, I mean. Had
Yeah.
done the same thing. London took out Asia's high and then New York sold because they respected this over here. Respected this area
Mm.
right here. That's why it sold off and then that's how that happened. So as over here, London took out Asia's high. Then we had a bearish and bullish candle right here. So let me just go to replay mode. Take this off. So what you were looking for whenever market opened, you're probably on a t smaller time frame, like I was. I was also wanting shorts as well. So
What time for?
I'm on 5 minute because remember I told you I do my sales on the 5 minute. So I had a sell
Okay.
stop at this area right here, and then my stop loss was above it. So this would have been my first take profit point right here, and then my second take profit point would have been I would have had gone to the 15 minute because that's the closest area where we have structure point right here, and this would be my other take profit point. Okay, but since price ended up coming to this first 30-minute structure point on London, Asia, that's whenever price flipped around and gave us an engulfing candle at this 30-minute. So that's why price then had a reverse. But no, everything you were doing was perfect. Price gave us a 5 minute engulfing, so we would put our buy stop at this level, and then we could easily just target London highs or any other structure that we may have over here.
Oh,
So this New York high over here as well. So this would have been our take profit point one. Well, or actually no, this would have been our take profit point one, the same area that we took the sell from,
yeah.
and then this would have been take profit two, and then full take profit would be over here.
You know what I'm seeing? I'm seeing this as the breaker that market will retest. I'm coming,
You,
let me mark it for you.
what was that?
Okay. Like, I'm seeing this as the breaker the market will retest. This level, I'm seeing market to come back. It tests
At
this
this
level
level?
and move. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that could happen. Price could break above this level, come back, do its thing, and then continue, and then do whatever. But you don't want to be predicting the market. You just want to react on what happens. So like right here, we were expecting sales because London ran Asia's high. So we were expecting sales if price came up to this area right here, which it did. and then gave us an engulfing candle, and then it sold off. But then it turned around because it went to this level right here, where we have a bearish and bullish candle, and then we got an engulfing candle. We got an engulfing on the
Okay.
five. We had gotten one on the 5 minute, so we would put our buy stop order right above it, and then it would enter us in, and then we would have had gone and take profit right here, and then price just kept going to the London high, and then the price just kept going. But I think right here is whenever it just turned around,
So
about
you
around this
you you,
level.
you took the buy, right?
I took the buy partially. So I had taken the sell, and then I took the buy. So I made a little
Wow.
bit of, I had made a little bit of profit on the short, but then had gotten, I had noticed price was rejecting this
What?
level a lot.
Sorry. On what time frame did you took the sale? You took it from the what's it called? The London section. What time zone?
What time zone did I take the trade on? New York
Yeah,
always.
yeah, like the sale. You took the sale on the London time zone or the New York.
New York.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I never
So,
trade London.
sorry, I want to ask you a question.
Hmm.
You said like what you taught us. Can I share my screen and just so you direct me?
Yeah, I can share,
I'm
you
not
can share your
sure.
screen.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just share my screen because
All right.
I want you to direct me to see if I'm on the right, if I'm doing the right thing or not.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
Yeah, I just want to give myself like a month or two to learn the strategy so that I can see on how I'll just go and get a profit. You
All right.
can see my screen, yeah?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So let me go to the 30 minute.
You can swipe my profile off of your screen. You can slide it to the right.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. So this is the high I was actually looking for market to go to after the market. I
Right.
marked that level.
Price is way too far away to be looking to for that level.
So
You just want to look at current price levels.
so based on current price, I'll be
Yes.
thinking this. No, not this.
New York would be the first one right there. Then
Yes, New
London
York
would, yeah, London
for
would
the
be another
second
one.
one.
Hmm. But
So what I'm looking towards now, since the market broke that high, I'm
yes,
looking towards to use this level as a level to buy it up again.
well,
If
you,
you,
you wouldn't want to really trade anymore because we're not in session.
I know. I mean, but most times I see you trade Asia session, right? What you done?
What'd you say?
You trade Asia session most times, right?
I just trade New York session.
Oh, only New York session. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So, but I was seeing a scenario of what happened not here, like here. And I saw you and Nawaf got the entry from here and sold there. So this is confusing because there's no roof here to get a sale. But you guys got the sale and down to the New York sale. So can you tell me can you explain to me how to catch sales? Because as you can see, London took out Asian low. So we should be looking for buys from what you told me, right?
I
Hello?
that yeah. Did I take this trade? I don't think I took this trade.
Oh, okay. But if it was to be you, how are you going to enter this trade? I don't know if you can just, and there are other series of example, like when, you know, London will just be in the middle.
Hmm.
Without going to the high, like like stuff like this.
Usually, whenever
And
London doesn't respect London doesn't
can you
respect.
just, can you just explain to me from your screen?
Yeah.
Let's just, yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Okay. Just move this
So
one.
I can see your screen now.
Yeah. So let me just put the replay so I can go back here.
So we can get multiple
So
example and clarity.
like for an example right here, I would have marked up Asia's high, right?
Yeah,
And then we had noticed that London didn't really tap in. It just kind of consolidated, accumulated in this
yeah,
area. And then whenever
yeah.
New York opened, Then that's whenever New York opened, tapped into this Asia's high, which is also the roof, and then price just sold off.
Okay.
And then we're the price our take profit points, one would have been right here. Our break even could have been at this level, and then our full take profit would have been at this level right here. Exactly where price came to. So it just really depends if whatever New York does and wherever New York rejects off of, and if it makes sense.
Okay. So can we look at another example?
Yeah. We can we can do
Like,
this one
yeah,
even right here.
this is what I've been trying to understand this
This
year.
one.
Yeah.
Okay. This one's can also do this one. So right here, Asia. This is obviously a pretty ugly day. I probably wouldn't have traded, but you could have easily taken trades. So right here. We had Asia and then London. London didn't take out Asia's high or Asia. Well, it kind of took out Asia's high, but it's just a long wick. It's just long wicks, a lot of wicks. But what New York did is New York opened up, came down to this London low, and then rejected, and then gave us an engulfing
Okay.
candle.
Oh,
S-
I want to understand something. So, sorry, I want to quickly ask a question before I forget.
Okay.
So, what we do is that we want to see the close, what London did, the close, the highs and the low. Then we know where Asia starts from. Sorry, we want to see the close and the highs of London and the low. If, if, sorry, what I'm trying to say is that,
You're good.
let me try to explain myself. Like for an example, London did not close above Asia's high, was just ranging in the middle.
Uh-huh.
So what we'll be looking for entry is where what's the start? Like the London lows or highs.
Yeah, you would want to look for the
Hope
New
you're,
York. What was that?
what I'm trying to say is that, when, like, in this condition,
Uh-huh.
London did not take out Asians high or Asians low. It's just in the middle, it's just ranging.
Yes.
So what should we be looking at for in
You
this
would
type
I
of condition?
you would either not take the trade, or if you do see an opportunity, the only opportunities that you would be looking for is if either New York came down to this London level right here, which is what it did, because London, this is a low. So New York respected London's low, and it gave us an engulfing candle, and then we could have taken a trade for either like a 1 to 2, since we don't have any structure points up here to like take profits. The only take profit point we could probably do is maybe just like this right here. But that's really about it. So I probably wouldn't even have taken this trade just because it wasn't very like easy to tell what's going on.
Okay, so you don't take trades all the time.
No, never. And then but like let's say if New York did continue going down, I would have been looking at this level right here for New York to have come down to this level and then gave us an engulfing candle like this. Something like that.
Okay.
If only if New York did this. Because
Okay.
this model right here looks exactly similar to this one, just reversed if it did had done that. So look, we have Asia. It's just reversed. So this is going to be the highs and these are going to be lows. So look, this is Asia's
Yeah.
high, Asia
Yeah.
high right here. And then,
Yeah.
oops, sorry. And then New York went above London's high, came to Asia's high. And then what happened over here? New York respected it, London's low. But if it didn't respect it and came down to this level right here, it would have been the same
Yeah.
thing as this, just flipped in the other direction.
This is good. This is good.
Yeah, this one would have been shorts. This one would have been longs.
Okay. So let's check all the price action
You said what?
before let's check other price action, like what happened during, 'cause I saw there was a trade Nawaf took.
We can do this one right here.
Okay. Because I'm
So
sorry, I'm just trying to get a lot of examples. So,
no, don't be
you
sorry.
know,
So look,
uh,
look at this right here. So
okay.
this was Asia's low structure points. Lon
Yeah.
we're not awake. We're not trading during Asia or London, so we're just waiting to see what had happened. Okay.
Yeah.
So right here, sorry, hold on. Oops. So right here, this was Asia's lows. London,
Yeah.
London respected Asia's lows, had rejection, a
Yeah.
lot of rejection, right?
Yeah.
And then we
And
had
yeah.
a
Okay. And engulfing.
yeah, we had a stare. We had a stare right here. Because look, this is one structure point right here. This is another structure point right here. So this was a like a roof in London, as we could say. So we go to a smaller time frame, and then we see we had a lot of buying pressure as soon as New York opened. And then New York opened up. It New York pushed up above. It rejected back into the roof of London and then gave us an engulfing. So you could have taken the trade up here, but I just took in it whenever it was already starting to reject because kind of already started to know. I kind of like already was knowing that it was going to buy. And then your take profit point could have been here, but I held it a little bit longer and then I just closed out at this area for 126. You see what I mean
Oh,
though?
yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. So you kind of like trade because this links similar to accumulation, manipulation, and distribution.
Uh-huh. We can even do this in right here. Look, London ran Asia's high, right?
Yeah.
London ran Asia's high. London was a roof. Very, very simple. New York tapped in, had a rejection candle, like a what's it called, indecision candle, and then just
Yeah.
started to sell off.
And
That's
engulfing.
literally that's literally all I did. All
What
we could
time
have.
frame is this? The 5 minutes, right?
No, this is the 30 minute. This is 30 minute.
Yeah.
So we could have even gone to the 5 minute once we were in this level, and I bet we can get a easily. We could have easily like once price tapped in this area, we instantly got a engulfing candle, and we could have sold.
Okay.
So this would have been a pre-market pre-session trade. So it's like a couple minutes right before New York open. It would have gave you the
Yeah.
entry, but either way, you would have been able to see that we had gotten a 5 minute rejection off of London's high, so we could have still taken the sell.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry, I would like to ask you a question.
yeah.
Please, I would like to do something for me. So, can you go back to the 30 minutes?
But you said what? The first trade? I mean the first chart?
Yeah, can you go back to the 30 minutes, like the 30 minutes?
Yeah, I'm on 30 minute right now.
So, just imagine that you're on your own and you want to take a trade. So,
Okay.
just do what you do to find your entries. Just do it. Like how you check from the 30 minutes, then dive down to the 5 minutes for your entry to catch early entries. Just do it. So
Want me to do it on this current
I
one?
yeah, yeah. Any way you want to do it and how
Okay,
to mark the steps.
so first off, I wake up. This is what price looked like when I woke up. Okay.
Yeah,
And then I had seen that London ran Asia's high, so I was already wanting to look for shorts. So I just marked up this level and I had marked up this level. Okay. So I was either wanting for price to come to this level and sell or this level up here and sell.
so
Okay.
yeah,
And then I went on the 5 minute and then I just waited till price reached this area. And then price like barely, barely, barely tapped into it or not even tapped into it, like barely missed it. Right.
yeah, yeah,
So I still wanted to get into the trade, so I took the short. I did take the short. And then I just went to the 30 minute to see where I could have taken the take profit. So whenever I had taken the short, I had taken it right here. So it was just like a 1-to-1 that I had taken on this trade. So it wasn't really
yeah,
anything. But I had this level marked out because your take profit points could also be reversals,
yeah,
opportunities, right?
yeah,
So that's
yeah.
why you have take profit points because you know price could either come to this level and keep going
I know that.
or turn
Yeah,
around. Okay. And then once price got to this level, I noticed that we had gotten a 5 minute engulfing candle. Hold on, let
Yeah.
it go come down here really quickly.
Yeah. Keep right. Yeah.
And then we got a 5 minute engulfing candle.
Nothing can do.
Mhm.
So that was a reversal for you.
Yes. And reversal for this area right here to right
Okay.
here.
Right.
And then this is the reason I still have this marked out because if we go to the 30 minute, we still have this structure point right here.
Yeah.
So that's why I had this area still marked out for another 1 to 1. And then this could have been up here for 1 to 2. Okay. And then I just waited to see what price did. And then it came up to here. Then price came above London, rejected. So we're probably likely to continue going up. It's just that there's no more session. So it's probably just going to go sideways. See how price is just like respecting this level, but not closing under London's previous high?
Yeah.
It's just rejecting, 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 rejecting. You see? And that's basically all I look for. And then if I win, I win. Go to the next day. See if I see a trade that I like. If not, then I don't take no trade. But yeah, that's basically it.
That's really nice. That's
Yeah,
really really nice. So this is how this is how you just treat it. This is how you treat.
yeah. Are you still able to see my screen share or no?
Yeah.
Can you see what I'm sharing? Or is it, do you still see trading view?
I'm seeing what you're trading. I'm seeing what you're trading. Victor, what's up?
Wisdom. I'm fine.
So, do
Just
you have any question for Adam?
one question now, but your questions now they answered my questions.
Guys
But
good?
Be
the
audible,
questions
please.
have answered mine. Like, did you hear
We
me?
can hear. No, we can hear you
No.
clearly now. So say what
Yeah,
you were
we can.
saying.
Okay, it's just my mic. It's faulty. Okay, go ahead. What you were doing, Mr. Adam. Uh, I'm watching from here. It's really interesting.
Oh, well, that's basically everything because I kind of have to get going now.
So what? So sorry. What you
Yeah.
do is that you find the structure points.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So so swing highs and swing lows are structure points.
correct. So this.
Oh,
See? Yeah.
okay. But one of the things I noticed is that, when it comes to gold, most times gold still moves in initial session. So, but I know it's still risky to trade during initial session. Yeah,
Uh,
thank you very much. I think this will be the end of tonight's class, right?
yes. It's good.
But please, are you hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Whenever, can you just hit me up whenever you want to take? Can you just hit me up whenever you want to check the market so we can just, go to Zoom and just check it together? Like whenever you want to take a trade, whenever like, you just wake up and you want to look for opportunities daily. So can you just hit me up so we can check together?
Well, I have to go to work whenever market opens, so I can't really. I'm usually at work whenever I take the trade.
Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah.
ouch. Well, you can just, try and just tell me this is what you're looking for. And I don't know if I can still send my setup to you so you tell me if you're looking at the same thing.
Yeah. You can go ahead and
Okay.
send me pictures and I'll see if it's good or if you should even be trading or not.
Okay. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So, Wisdom, you say you don't have any question, right?
Because they're good?
Hello?
Yeah, Wisdom, you don't have any question, right?
Yeah. Uh,
Okay, no
Mr.
problem.
Adam, thank you so much. I really
Hmm.
appreciate it.
Thank you so much. So, I'm gonna
We'll
be
be seeing
waiting for the class so I can go rewatch it and understand.
Okay. Sounds good.
Wait. I
Okay.
have a question.
Uh,
One last question.
Yeah.
So my question is, to get a good swing structure point, what are the criteria you should be looking at to get a good swing structure point?
Wherever a bullish and bearish candle meet, that's a structure point.
Okay.
And then
Very good.
wherever you see a structure point and then price rejects it, has rejected it re more than once, that's also reject structure
That's
point.
a good structure point. Okay.
Yeah.
So when we are looking for price, when we are looking for trades during the London section, we will like to look at entries from maybe the London structure point,
Uh-huh.
from maybe the highs of the London structure point, depending on what the London creates, right?
Yes.
So we don't just decide depend on what the market we just trade depend on what the market does, right?
Correct. You don't predict, you wait.
Okay. Thank you very much for answering my question. God
Of
bless you.
course. Alrighty.
Yeah.
You guys take
Thank
care.
okay, bro. Thank you very much. So we'll have other times to, check the chat again. God bless you.
Alrighty.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Bye. Good night.
Bye-bye.